Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're checking out the Hypercharge Pro. This thing is all over the internet, promising to not only charge your phone, but somehow make it faster, fix your battery, and maybe even change your life. I've got an old phone here, so let's see if this secret new invention is really the miracle they claim or just another cheap gadget. First, let's check out their ad. There's a video where some smartphone engineer says your phone gets slower every year because of evil big tech. But wait, there's hope. He reveals a simple trick that's supposed to restore your phone to its former glory. So what is it? Hypercharge Pro? Of course. In the video, they claim this isn't just a charger. It's powered by some kind of secret AI chip. They say it can override secret slowdown codes, triple your phone's performance, and unlock the battery's true potential. It's like a charger and a miracle worker all in one. Wow. All right, that's enough hype. Let's keep digging. Now I clicked the ad and ended up on their website. And you guessed it, it looks just like a news article. There's an author, a date, lots of serious talk. But right at the top, it says advertorial, red flag number 1. Real news? Not really. It's just a very fancy ad. Let's scroll down a bit. It's packed with bold claims. Remove planned obsolescence. Save thousands of dollars? This device will restore your phone like new. Apparently, if you use this charger, you'll never need to buy a new phone again. No proof, of course, just lots of wild promises. They say there are tens of thousands of happy customers. And what do you know, there's a 50% discount because every miracle gadget needs a flash sale. But something's weird. The ad originally told a story about some Christian Thompson who supposedly invented all this. By the time you get to the sales page, that name is just gone. Poof. No backstory, no inventor, just the magic charger for sale. Guess Christian's too busy fighting big tech to be on the site now. Let's pretend we're buying. Next page, it's all about the product. Big headline, fake ratings. Looks like Trustpilot, but it's not. 4.7 stars from 11,000 plus reviews. They even borrowed the design from real review sites. Scrolling down, I see even more promises, as seen on NBC, CBS, Fox News. But spoiler, they just slapped some logos there. No news channel ever mentioned this thing. There's a chart showing Hypercharge Pro beating every other charger in the universe. And don't miss the glowing customer reviews, all 5 stars, all loving this thing like it's the best invention since the wheel. And there's a timer for the sale. Hurry up before the magic runs out. Now let's actually try to buy it. The price? $40 for one, or buy 3 or 4 for a bundle discount and save even more. But let's check if it's really special. I ran a quick image search, and there it is, the exact same charger on AliExpress. No, not similar. The same one, same ports, same shape. Price, less than $1. Yep, you heard that right. Less than $1 for the so-called Hypercharge Pro. No AI, no secret chips, just a basic USB charger. But wait, what about all those happy customers? On their site, it's nothing but praise. But you can't leave a review yourself. Wonder why. So let's check real reviews, like on Trustpilot. That's where things get ugly. People say they were overcharged, had stuff added to their order they never wanted, couldn't get their money back, and the customer service is just a black hole. Lots of folks tried to return their stuff, only to find out they had to ship it to China and still never got a refund. And that 30-day guarantee? Good luck using it. All right, let's talk about contact info. Can you call them? Email? Find a real address? Not really. There's almost nothing on the site. The only real address linked to this company is just a rented mailbox in Philadelphia, and the website's domain was registered less than a year ago to some privacy service in Iceland, because that's what all legit companies do, right? So let's put it all together. Brand new website, fake reviews, made up stories, and the exact same charger for $1 on AliExpress. No real proof, no real company info, and tons of complaints online. If you're wondering how they got thousands of 5-star reviews overnight, the answer is they didn't. Bottom line, Hypercharge Pro is not a miracle device. It's not going to make your phone faster, restore your battery, or defeat planned obsolescence. It's just a cheap charger with a huge markup and a wild imagination. Save your money. If you really need a USB charger, buy a normal one for a couple bucks at any real store. Thanks for watching.